that their school is organizing.
Hi there, Sophia. Hello and good morning.
Emma, good morning. How are you doing today?
Not good. I'm exhausted today.
This early in the morning, but why?
I spent the entire evening on the phone with parents, asking for permission for their child to attend a school picnic next week, and telling them about the picnic spot.
If it makes you feel better, I spend my evenings doing the same thing.
I'm glad that every parent feels safe sending their child to the school picnic, and that no one is left behind.
Yes, even the kids are eager because it's their first picnic after 2 years of confinement due to COVID restrictions being lifted.
However, I advised parents to send a mask, a bottle of hand sanitizer, and medicated wipes with their children to be extra cautious.
That's fantastic. I'll also post the same in my class WhatsApp group. But to be honest, picnics are great even for us teachers.
That is correct. I remember going on a picnic with my family and spending quality time there. Also, my father always chose beautiful picnic spots, which made me miss being a kid.
Even though I went on many picnics with family and friends, I remember my mother bringing a big picnic basket full of delicious food just for us kids.
Beautiful memories, are not they? But I really appreciated all of the picnic locations this time.
Yes, our principal chose a popular picnic spot this time, such as the science park, planetarium, aquarium, and water park, so that the kids can learn while having fun.
Students can enjoy the scenic beauty of the area between the science park and the planetarium and play games, which is a great thing.
Yes. Did you hear the principal announce 2 complete meals for students so they can eat healthy and delicious food instead of junk on the picnic?
That's wonderful. We do not want our students to become ill as a result of the picnic.
I like the idea of finishing our picnic at a water park. I enjoy going there.
That is true, but we must be extra cautious, because there are children who are very enthusiastic about participating in water sports.
Don't worry, Emma. They are all 12 years old, so our principal only permitted them to go on kid-friendly slides. They have already spoken with the water park officials and agreed that no student is allowed anywhere near the adult slides.
That's great, but we must continue to keep an eye on the most notorious ones. Thank goodness, our principal reserved picnic tables in advance, so we could sit somewhere where we could watch the kids.
Yes, we will. After all, we want them to have fun and not get hurt.
What will the teacher's dress code be?
I believe it will always be semi-casual, but don't forget to wear your trainers. After all, we had to run all day.
What picnic accessories are you going to bring?
I'm not sure, but I'm guessing first aid kits, band-aids, and over-the-counter medicine for vomiting and stomach aches, as well as an umbrella and a raincoat.
I am going to keep extra slippers with me for the water park.
Great call. I'm going to tell students to gather information during their visits to different locations so they can write an essay on a picnic they enjoyed and share their experience with the rest of us.
Oh my God! I'm having flashbacks to when I was in school and had to write essays on picnics with family I had during summer breaks. Sophia, you're slowly becoming a true teacher.
Stop it. I just want kids to learn while having fun.
I know, I'm just kidding. I want children to grow in their knowledge every day. I'll ask the children to do the same.
I am so excited. Let's go for a picnic.
Of course. I hope the children enjoy their picnic, but let's head off to class first.
Yes, let's go.